In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your panel from beeping at you if it's just beeping wildly. Now, there can be several causes for this to happen. You could have a low battery, it could be some sort of error. Usually it's an error on the panel causing it to happen. It could be an open zone. It could be several things to happen, but I'm going to basically show you how to shut it up and keep it from beeping at you until you can either fix the problem or you can get somebody over to your house to fix the problem for you. I'm going to actually tamper the system by opening a circuit. So if you hear this noise, which drives people crazy, you can't figure out what the heck's going on, you go over to the panel. Once you open your panel up, sorry, that was my little prop that fell out. When you get here, if you push the start key, it shuts up. So that's the first thing you need to do, is get it quiet so you can think about what's going on. That normally doesn't happen until 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Usually you never get beeping sounds in the middle of the daytime. So you wake up, you hear beeping, hit the start key, that'll stop it. So on the panel, it should show you whatever the problem is. It'll say low battery 17, it'll say check battery, it'll say low bat. This is a 6160 keypad. If you're using a 6150 keypad, it may just say 17 on it. So it makes it a little more difficult to figure out what's wrong, but at least it'll give you a number so you can go figure out what's going on with it. So let's say it says check 17. In my case here, I know zone 17 is here because I tripped it myself. I popped the cover off. So that's a tamper on 17. So I either fix my tamper, or let's say it's a low battery on 17. If it's a low battery on 17 and you don't have a battery with you, or you don't have a battery readily available, can't go get one today, if you clear this code out, what's going to happen is it's just going to respawn later on. It's going to go back through. It's going to look for everything. It's going to check for the zones. And once it finds a low battery again, it's going to start beeping at you again. So basically you need to either fix the problem or it's going to reoccur on you sooner than you want it to. So what you can do about it, if you cannot fix it, if you can fix it, like I could pop that cover back on, fix the problem, and be done with it. What I want to do is I want to go into my user code. The default user code is 1234. This is just a default panel. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 6 for bypass. And since 17 is my problem, I'm going to hit 17. Now what that did was bypass zone 17. So the rest of my system is still available to use. I can still arm my system except for that one zone. And that way I can still use my security system until I can get my problem solved.